Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is orange color. The next one is parrot color. The third one is sky blue color. The fourth one is pink color, purple color, blue color, red color, and the last one is green color. Now let's color the caterpillar. How many caterpillars can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 caterpillars.